Let's chat about the new process for making a long service leave claim online. From the 13th of April, 2026, workers will need to submit a long service leave claim through the Worker portal. Log into your Worker portal, complete the reCAPTCHA and verify your identity with the Authenticator app for your security. This will take you to your Worker portal dashboard. Here you will see your portable long service leave information in green. Firstly, let's walk through a claim where a worker wants to take time off. Go to the Forms tab and choose Long Service Leave Claim. Under Claim Type, select Long Service Leave Claim. There is some information to help understand each leave type. Next, we need to know if you are covered by an enterprise agreement, allowing you to take long service leave earlier. If you are covered, let us know the name of the agreement. This can be provided to you by your employer. If no agreement exists, select No. We then need to know if you have enough long service leave accrued to take leave. This could be a combination of portable long service leave and pre-scheme service accrued under the State Act. Now add your tax file number and select your Australian residency status. The next section, called Employer Details, is where your pre-scheme service is shown. You might have multiple employers' details here, which is shown separately. Each one will show your pre-scheme balance, where you can then select where your leave can be taken from. Select your first and last day of leave to be taken. The day's leave will be calculated automatically. Then, if applicable, select the days you want to take from your portable leave balance as well. Please note that for each claim, the days selected between your employer and your portable leave must be consecutive days. Confirm if the listed estimated rate of pay is correct. If you think it's incorrect, please talk to your employer. If it's correct, select Yes. This next section covers if you have a salary sacrifice arrangement. If you do, select Yes, and tell us the amount you'd like sent to your employer. If you don't have any salary sacrifice arrangement, select No. The next section is where you can tell us the frequency of how you'd like to be paid for your long service leave. You then need to share your bank details where you want this to be paid into. Make sure these details are correct, as any incorrect details might cause delays in receiving your payment. There is a function to search your BSB number, and you'll then need to enter your account number and account name. Again, double-check these details are correct. The last section is the comments field to add any additional information. Select Next. Sign the declaration and press Submit. We recommend saving a PDF of this claim. View the PDF and save the document. Go back to the dashboard. You'll see the claim under Current Claims and the claim status. This is where you can track the progress of your claim. To review your claim at any time, select the claim number. Now let's chat about a cash-out claim where a worker wants to take cash in lieu of taking time off. Go to the Forms tab and choose Long Service Leave Claim. Under Claim Type, select Long Service Leave Cash Out. There is some information to help understand this leave type. Now add your tax file number and select your Australian residency status. Tell us if you have a salary sacrifice arrangement and enter the amount. Do this for each employer you are claiming a cash out from. Make sure you enter the correct amount. And then enter the number of days of leave you want paid out. If applicable, select the days you also want to cash out from your portable leave balance. Confirm if the listed estimated rate of pay is correct. If you think it's incorrect, please talk to your employer. Next, select your preferred payment date. Enter your bank details, including your BSB, account number, and account name. This is where your money will be paid into. Make sure these details are correct, as any incorrect details might cause delays in receiving your payment. Press Next. Sign the declaration and submit. We recommend saving a PDF of this claim. Now let's chat about a termination claim where a worker is leaving the sector. Go to the Forms tab and choose Long Service Leave Claim. Under Claim Type, select Termination Payment. There is some information to help you understand each leave type. Now add your tax file number and select your Australian residency status. Check the listed employer details and enter the termination date and termination reason. This could be resignation or retirement or some other options. The next section is where you need to share your bank details where you want this to be paid into. Make sure these details are correct, as any incorrect details might cause delays in receiving your payment. Press Submit and sign the declaration. We recommend saving a PDF of this for your records. To view the status of any of your claims, you can select any current claims on the dashboard. You can also check these by going to the Claims tab. This will also show you the status date, the claim amount, and the scheduled payment date. Now we can chat about what the employer does with these claims. Log into your employer portal, complete the reCAPTCHA and verify your identity with the Authenticator app for your security. Any claim from a worker will appear under Pending Approvals on the dashboard. You can also find them under the Claims tab. Select the claim number link. Here you'll find the details about the claim as well as the approval section. Select the approval status and choose your response to the claim. If you choose to approve the claim, you'll need to provide us with the worker's average weekly hours, averaged over the past 3 years, and their current hourly rate. Press Submit. If the worker is claiming pre-scheme service, an invoice will be issued and your liability will be reduced based on the amount payable.